Hi, I'm Alexander. I'm a rising junior at Menlo Atherton High School. For my third milestone for my 3D printed robotic hand, I made the 3D printed robotic hand. It's made out of this 3D printed blue plastic. How it works is there are these finger joints connected by individual little screws that allow them to bend and flex. And then there's wires that run down through the hand to these servos so that the servos can control the fingers. Essentially, when the servo turns and bends this arm, it will pull on one of the wires in the finger, causing the finger to flex one way or another. It can be posed in a variety of positions, and the fingers, when the servos are not turning, will stay perfectly still, like this. The servos are wired up from the bottom here. There's wires coming out the bottom, which will connect to the final circuit, which I will make in my next milestone video. Some challenges I had while making this were finding the right wire. The initial fishing line I used was too thick and impaired the movement of the joints. The elastic I used then was unable to go down the entire channels to the bottom of the hand, kept it getting stuck. So this thinner fishing wire is perfect for my case. Another trouble I had was getting the tension right on these wires going up to the hand, because there's a return wire and, there's two wires. The return wire and the other wire. But they essentially turn and pull the fingers either way, based on which way the servo goes, so that the fingers can be posed however you want it to. Another trouble I had was getting basically just putting everything in place, because it's very intricate and hard to put together sometimes. These joints especially were a bit of a trouble because there were some 3D printed mistakes in the 3D printing, so I couldn't put the bolts or the screws in, and I had to sand them a bit. For my next milestone, of course, I'll be doing the final product, and that'll be my entire project. Thank you.